Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Docker engine and CLI installed, and a project folder ready. Create a minimal Docker file that selects a lean base image, copies source, installs runtime dependencies, and exposes a port. Once done, open your terminal and CD into the project root. Make sure your build context excludes large files. Then run Docker build with a clear tag so you can reference the image. This step makes the container reproducible and versionable. You execute Docker build with a concise tag, observing each layer for cache hits and failures. If a layer fails, adjust the Docker file and rebuild. Once the image builds, run it detached with Docker run-d, map ports, and attach volumes for persistent data. Make sure you name the container to streamline management. After launching, check Docker PS for status, tail Docker logs to see startup output, and use Docker execute to open an interactive shell when you need to inspect or modify the running state. You finish by gracefully stopping and removing test containers and pruning unused images to reclaim space. Automated cleanup prevents conflicts. To verify configuration, run Docker inspect to view runtime metadata and Docker network ls to confirm port bindings and network attachments. If the app fails, rebuild with no cache to eliminate stale layers, confirm the base image matches the application runtime, and recheck environment variables and mounted volumes. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.